How to create an event on Facebook. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create an event on Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, go to the three line menu showing just below your screen, the three line icon. So just click on that. So now I'm going to be explaining this, guys. If you want to create a page linked to your group chat, just go ahead and click on groups. So if you want to do that, just click on groups and use your group chat or your group that you've created. Or if you want to use a page, click on see more and click on page. But for the sake of this video title, I'm going to just go ahead and do it directly. So click on events, as you can see. So when you click on events, just go ahead and click the plus icon just showing above your screen, as you can see up there, guys. Click on that. When you click on that, you can go ahead and select the icon of the event. So let's go ahead and select an icon. You can upload if you don't want to use this event. Go ahead and write the event title, app tutorials. So for the sake of this video, I will set the time of the event as 6. Let's set it to 6 p.m. So is it in person or in virtual? You write virtual, obviously. It's in person, it's virtual. So click on virtual. Facebook Live, click on done. You can choose whether you're doing, if you are doing in person, just go ahead and put the location. If you are not doing in person, just click on this. If you have any external links, you can go ahead and hide that. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click in Facebook Live. So when you do that, you can go ahead and click who can see this. So let's make it public or your friends. So if you are using a page or a group, it's going to be different option, obviously. So anyone on Facebook, anyone on or off Facebook, what are their details? Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and select your co-hosts, people that you are hosting the video with. Additional information, only host can post approved by host, and you can go ahead and play around with this additional information. So just go ahead and click on create event, and it's going to be loading, guys. It's loading. So this is a simple way of making video. If you are doing a link to your page, don't forget to go to your page and then navigate to where it says create the page. So I can go ahead, as you can see, my page is done. I can go ahead and invite people to join. So as you can see, app tutorials, the event has been set. So this is how you can create an event on Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.